Hi, how are you guys? Let me get my screen shared here. So, what we're looking at is, let me make it just a little bit bigger. All right, so what I want you to do is to, down here at the bottom, is to watch this video. You can click on it and watch it. And then from this video, I want you to write a paragraph response. And whenever you do, if you write the response or go ahead and change it to where it's MLA, and whenever I say that, where the quote in it, whenever that you insert this quote into it as your evidence. And how is ambition shown in the following passage? The Thane of Cawdor lives, a prosperous gentleman, and to be king stands not within the prospect of belief, no more than to be Cawdor. So use this in the paragraph two as your evidence. And then that way, if you do it with this one, this quote down here, if chance will make me king, why chance may crown me without my stir. Then lastly, that else on which I must fall down or else overleap. So all three of these quotes have to do with ambition. Watching the video right here, this will help you to explain these quotes. Then you will need to cite the video and then cite the source, and I can help you with that on, we're going to have a Google Meet on Tuesday at 10:30. So I will help you cite those as far as if you forgot how to use EasyBib, that's the source that's easiest in order to do that. I'll go over that. I may do a short video on that and then just a short Google Meet. But the Google Meet is for a grade on Tuesday. So, and that's only if we're not in school. I'm assuming that will be out, but if I could be wrong. So, once again, as far as I know, as of now, we have school on Tuesday, but just for some reason, if we don't, then we will meet on Tuesday. I just wanted to let you know that. Here, the topic is ambition, and the thesis is in Shakespeare's Macbeth, this should be italicized. The theme of ambition builds as Hamlet takes the witch's prophecies to heart. Then this is your thesis, you're proving with the quotes down below. And that's whenever you start writing your essay. So your rough draft is due Tuesday. Anytime Tuesday up to 11:59, it is considered on time. If it is late, you will receive a 0, but I'll still take it and look at it to help you with your final draft, which is due anytime Thursday. So then I will return them on Wednesday if I get them turned in on time. So if you return them to me Wednesday, I'll get them to you before 3:40 on Wednesday, and then you'll have all day, the rest of Wednesday and all day Thursday to finish it. I don't see this to be a long assignment. We're doing this in place of a test. So all you're doing is writing this essay on ambition. This is your thesis statement that you're proving. In Shakespeare's Macbeth, the theme of ambition builds as Hamlet takes the witch's prophecies to heart. For today, all that's due is answering these 3 questions. But if you watch this video before you answer the questions, insert the quotes into your paragraph using MLA format, and then you won't have to go back and change that later. And then there's up here in the directions it says take your responses. This is for Tuesday. It's just in case you want to picture what's going on. Take your responses from Ambition and Macbeth worksheet. That's this worksheet, and write a 5-paragraph essay. So you'll need to add an introduction and conclusion, and then your 3 different points or questions down below that you answered. Whenever I say that, it's these three right down here. And explain how Hamlet became obsessed with being the king. Answer the questions. So in this, if this will help you to stay on track and will also give you more information. And if you do not have these three questions answered in your responses below, then you will need to add them for your rough draft on Tuesday. And answer these questions. Who motivated him also? So, who also motivated him, as in Macbeth? What stood in his way? And then, who else what people were keeping him from being king? And then, what was the outcome at the end of the play? And you can use the outcome part as part of your conclusion. You can use the prophecy of the witches. You can use that in your introduction. That would be where it kind of all flows together. Somewhat in chronological order would be best. That would be logical, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. Email me if you have any questions, and I'll get this posted. I hope you have a good weekend. Be safe, and I will either see you Tuesday in class or you'll see me in the Google Meet. So I'll talk to you then. Bye.